Alright guys, well here we are. Pool is definitely up to where it needs to be now. Just adding a little bit extra water, just for the equipment operation. But you can see the pool looks brand new. One of the great fittings for the waterfall inlet is off because I got to clean the threads a little bit, but I can do that when the pool is ready to go. But just look around. This really looks awesome, like a brand new pool and everything. Everything's all fixed over there now. Water's up to the tiles. Looks really, really good. Really, really nice. Water's nice and clear. Marble dusting's curing very well. And just looks totally awesome. Alright, so let's head over to the equipment and get things taken care of there. Okay, so everything should be ready to go for now for the initial startup. What I'm doing right now is we're currently set to the wall jets only because the guy said to wait a couple of weeks before putting the floor jets on so the marble dusting can fully cure, which after that small leak we had is definitely important to do. I currently have the multi-port valve set to waste because if there's any dirt and stuff in the skimmers that can get through the pump basket, I want it to go out of the system instead of into the filter or through the heater, things like that. So you want to watch out for that end. All right, here's the new backwashing valve in place, and there is water in the pump. I put the clear lids on, as you can see, and on the waterfall pump as well. So let's give this a run up and see how it goes. Get the plug. Alright, so it's going to go to waste at first. When the water's clear, I'll put it to filter, and then we shall see how it goes. Water's coming in. That's a good sign. There's a lot of air in it, as you can tell. I think I gotta put some water in here, so let me go take care of that and be right back. Okay, gave the water some time to run and run through the pipes. Let's see how it does now. It's still flowing. It is flowing. Oh yeah. Look at all the stuff that's coming in now. Wastewater doesn't look too bad. You can see all the crap that got in there. So it is going. Wastewater doesn't look too bad. You can see all the junk in there. Wow. It looks like all the air got out. Just about. It looks pretty good. Not too bad. So wastewater's good. So here's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to shut it off. And now I'm going to clean out all the junk that's in there once it stops backflowing in. Going to clean all the junk that's in there, and then we'll be right back. So give me just a minute. Okay guys, valve is back in filter mode. Backwash pipe closed. Basket's all cleaned. So let's plug this in again and see how normal operation mode's. Then we'll take a look at the pool. Water came in all right. All right. Now let's let some air out of the filter here. Keep the camera away from the. Actually, I think the water might be already out, or air might already be out. Yeah, that's actually good. All right, let's go take a look. Let's go take a look at the pool. Jets are running. There's a lot of air coming out, as you can see. It's really bubbling along there. Here's one jet right here. Wow, these are strong. I like that. There's the deep end jet. Yeah, there's a lot of air that still has to get worked out of the system. But there's the deep end jet. There's the middle jet. Let's go to the shallow end jet by the hose. Yep, there it is right there. Working like a charm. And just for fun, let's go to the middle skimmer, the one that was all fixed up. Oh yeah, water's definitely getting pulled in there. Looks really awesome. So the pool is running. Like I said, a lot of air has to get out of the line still, but yeah, look at those jets go. Now we'll take a look at the pump once more. Yep, looks good. Filter pressure is very good actually, very, very good. And pump has no air in it. Awesome. And well folks, there you have it. The pool repair is complete. Now, this concludes the playlist video. Any other work I do on the pool will be separate from the pool repair playlist. So this will be the final video in the playlist. But there you go. Pool is refilled and it is working like a charm. Water's moving just like it should. And the jets look absolutely awesome, all 3 of them. Alright guys, so there you have it. I hope this series was great. And the pool is just back in order and it looks awesome. So, hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you very much for watching and take care.